This Zerillo Realty property video is presented by Katie Avis. Unique open concept floor plan with second floor loft that current sellers use as an additional bedroom with toy room. Move-in ready with recently updated 2 full bathrooms, new hardwood floors, and generously sized rooms. Stainless steel appliances complement the granite counters, gleaming with an abundance of natural sunlight from newer windows. Formal dining area plus eat-in kitchen. Main level includes 1 bedroom and 1 full-size bath, not to mention full-size washer-dryer off the kitchen with plenty of storage. Step out of the enclosed back porch, 4 seasons room into a serene garden oasis. Plenty of private yard space. Surrounded by 2 luscious gazebos with custom-built brick paver garden and grill area. Perfect for entertaining. Close to Union Ridge School, shops, expressway and much more. For more information